I got more seeds, y'all. I'm excited. So if y'all watched my previous video, I showed y'all these already, but if you haven't, I'll show you again. Well, not again, I'll show you now. I got some baby's breath that I like a lot more than the sweet alyssum. Petunias. In the previous video, I told y'all I don't know why I passed these up. I really love petunias. I think they're really pretty, so I got a pack this time. And I got some dill. I got some dill for floral arrangements. I like the flowers, the foliage, and I think it'll be a nice little filler flower like the baby's breath. I also, listen, I am trying my hand at lavender yet again. Each attempt that I've made with lavender has been a failure. I've never gotten any seeds to germinate. I heard that lavender is one of the hardest plants to try to grow, or at least just germinate. So yeah, I'm gonna try this again. I will not give up. I got some Serrano chili pepper seeds. I know I said I wasn't growing food, but I think I'm gonna try to grow certain things. So along with the dill, I'm gonna try the peppers, chili peppers. Marie, she commented on my last video and reminded me about snapdragons. So I'm gonna try snapdragons again. I tried these last year, but I think it was too late. I do have a few containers of wildflowers growing. They're very small. And honestly, at this point, I'm just trying to see if they'll survive. I don't know if any snapdragons germinated or not, but I guess we'll see come spring. But thank you, Marie, for reminding me about snapdragons. I got another pack, so we'll see how it goes this year. And I also got some cayenne pepper, long, slim red. I like peppers, so we'll see how this goes. Now from Walmart, got two different varieties of sunflowers. I got this sunflower moonshine. It only grows up to 5 feet, right up my alley. And the sunflower dwarf teddy bear, it only goes to 3 feet, again, right up my alley. I don't want anything higher than 5 feet. 6 and up, not even gonna try. And then I got some nasturtiums. I saw these in a flower arrangement on Instagram, and I was like, okay, I gotta get them now, because I've been going back and forth about this flower, like getting the seed packets for about 2 months now, maybe a month and a half. And so, you know, I was just like, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. These two actually look quite similar. I hauled these before. These look a little bit similar. I mean, I don't care, but as long as they weren't the same one. This gets, so these grow to 3 feet and this goes to 5 to 6 feet. Interesting. I'm going to add all of these to this collection and see how this works. I think I'll also have some planting videos coming. I've already started planting all these flowers. I've even gotten some germination. I'm gonna do a video about that as well, but we can sit and chat, right? We're about to. Okay, thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you commenting, liking the videos. Let me know what seeds y'all have gotten so far. If y'all have any suggestions that I should attempt, please let me know in the comments, and we'll see.